Hey, welcome back to another episode of Just Call Me Josie, and in today's video I am finally starting off my product pan for 2019 and I cannot wait. It is going to be so much fun to dig into this challenge, which by the way is going to be a Colourpop Super Shock challenge, which basically means that I am going to attempt to pan as many of these right here as I possibly can throughout 2019. I've decided to switch out the shades that I am working on every 3 months, so 4 rounds in total. This first round is of course going to be a little bit shorter and last until March, since I am a little bit late on the bandwagon. So I'm picking 6 shades in total for each round, so that is going to be 24 shades in total. So I've put all of the Super Shock shadow names in my notepad. I have 28 in total that we are going to pick from. So I put in min 1 and max 28 in random.org. So let's start generating, shall we? 280, oh my goodness, no, 28. That's better, 28. Okay, let's generate the first one. And I got 24. I have no idea what shade that is, but I'm gonna show you that it says 24. Hopefully you guys can see that. So let's jump into my little notepad. 24, oh my gosh. And it is Telepathy. Ooh, that is one of my favorite shades. It is a chartreuse. Can be a little bit tricky to incorporate in lots of different looks though, since it is such a special outstanding shade, but we shall see what I can come up with. It's a greeny gold pretty much, or a chartreuse if you want to be a little fancy. I actually didn't know that word until I heard someone describe this one as chartreuse, and then I got to learn a new English word, so that was very exciting. Okay, generate. 7, okay. Sounds like a good number, but we shall see. 7 is the shade Let Me Pass. So it's either a super yellow shade or an orange shade. Oh, it is indeed an orange. I am happy it is not yellow, because that would be pretty similar to this one. So orange I feel great about. Let's take a look at Let Me Pass. Would you look at that? That is so stunning. Okay, so let's take a look at the third color. Generate, and we got 26. Was that what we had before? I've already forgotten. No. Ooh, 26 is actually wattles. We have not had wattles. So here is little wattles, and as you can tell, it is super neutral whilst not being boring at all. I was trying to pan Lovely, and that one dried out on me, so I had to take it out of my product pan for 2018, which was really sad. So I hope I'm going to have more luck with these. Okay, so let's generate the fourth color. Generate. Cannot wait. What is it? It's 9. Okay, let's check out 9. Get lucky. Ooh, yeah, that is an ultra metallic, I believe, and it is so beautiful, but it is one of the first shades that I picked up, so let's see how this one is doing. Yes, this one is doing so well still. Super creamy. This one is going to be super easy to match up with a bunch of different types of mattes as well. It goes with pretty much anything, unless it's cool tone, but you know, if you look through my collection, there is no cool tones to be found, to be honest. So that was a 9. Let's generate the 5th shade. Come on. It's 11. Okay. And 11 is, no. Okay, so 11 is actually Nillionaire, and that is one of the only shades that I don't like. That one and Game Face I was a little bit disappointed with. So yeah, Nillionaire and me are gonna have to get along and become friends real fast. I know Nillionaire is one of the best-selling shades from Colourpop, and I think the reason why I don't get along with it that well is because it leans a little bit more cool tone, and yeah, that's just not my jam. It is a metallic, which is weird because it should be an ultra glitter, because it has tons and tons of glitter. Do you guys also feel like they have put some of the shades in the wrong category? I mean, this one should definitely be an ultra glitter. Come on, that is so sparkly. Actually really pretty. Okay, so let's generate the last shade for this round. We have number 17. Ooh, no, this one, no. I actually also don't like this one. So there's 3 that are not my favorite. I shouldn't say I don't like them, because I definitely like them, but they're my least favorites out of the ones that I love. I just don't get mattes with glitter. So that is my beef with Cuteologist. So according to Colourpop, Cuteologist is classified as an ultra glitter, but it looks nothing like the Ultra Glitters like this one right here. It's so weird though because the base is so matte in my opinion, but let's swatch it and you guys can decide for yourself. Doesn't that look kind of matte? I feel like it does. With just some glitter throughout it. I mean, am I crazy? Let me know. Don't let me know that I'm crazy in the comments, but let me know. That would be so horrible. This one and Nillionaire is definitely going to be the biggest challenge. I have to come up with a good way to get use out of them. Definitely feel free to subscribe if you wanna follow me on this journey trying to pan as many Super Shock shadows as I can throughout 2019. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you go, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Take care until then. Bye!